Hold on. Y'all see my flowers? They sent me flowers and stuff. Okay, so y'all is here. I'm scared. He's here. I don't even want to open it. I'm so scared. Okay, hold on. What if it got a head on it? Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, hold on. Look what my cousin done sent me. She said, get well soon. Your pussy gonna be so good and popping and brand new. Okay, hold on, y'all. Don't look at my face. I just got the bed. All right, I'm so scared. Is the alligator in this thing? Is he alive? Oh, it's heavy. Ah! Oh, it's heavy. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Okay. Oh my God, y'all, I am so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, y'all, I'm recording my video, so this is for YouTube. Okay, YouTube, look. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, YouTube. Okay, hold on, wait. All right, look, YouTube. I haven't washed my face. Let me look at my face. Make sure ain't no... Do I got a crust on my eye? Oh my God, is my nose peeling? What's going on with my skin? Hold on. Okay, oh, she's still a little rough. It's okay. It's okay, she's a little rough. All right, so... My alligator has arrived. I'm on live on Instagram. I'm so scared. I don't want to open it. What if he's alive? Hold on, let me touch it. Okay, y'all, here we go. I am so scared. Hold on, y'all. Oh, Jesus. What a little knife or something. Y'all see my little section over here? Look. A bitch was not playing with the girls. A bitch said, look, get well, ho. Okay. Nikki had her baby. Oh, wow. Great. Let's see. Okay, hold on. B Simone, it's a B. It is a fucking alligator in here, girl. I'm gonna do my mukbang eating a whole alligator. I'm so I'm scared. Okay, hold on, y'all. Hold on. It's 28 pounds. And I gotta cook it. Oh, okay. What it look like? What it smell like? Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Come on now, light. Move. Damn. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the oven. Oh, look at her. It's a whole head, girl. Oh my God. Oh my God, it got a claw. Oh my God, it got a claw. Oh my Jesus. I can't do this. What was I thinking? Oh, I can't do this. Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up. Oh, bitch, you got me. I'm not putting this in the oven. Okay. What kind of tray I'm supposed to put it on? Oh, Jesus. I didn't think this through. I didn't think this. Oh, he's so heavy. Heavy. Oh, God, he frozen. Oh, Jesus. It's already cooked. It's like. Oh, God. You supposed to put it in the oven for 5 hours. Put it on the grill. I can't grill this. You supposed to put it in the oven for 5 hours. I saw it. It said put it in the oven for 5 hours. Ooh, that gas bill gonna be stupid. But I don't cook anyway. Girl, you don't grill it. You put it in the... Y'all stop telling me to fucking grill. If I don't even know how to fucking cook, how the fuck I'm a grill? I don't even know how to cook. I don't even know what we're supposed to do with a grill. How you even get the charcoals on fire? I don't know how to damn grill. Grill it. I don't even know how to turn the oven on. Oh my God. Shit gonna taste like charcoal if I grill it. Gonna taste like charcoal. Oh Lord. Okay, let me open him up and see what he looking like. Hold on. You dead for real? You know, sometimes when you freeze stuff and then it come undone from thawing out, it's alive. Does he got teeth? What the fuck was I thinking? I can't do this, y'all. This is too lively. This too real. This ain't like a piece of chicken or a little turkey. Hold on. Look at him. Oh, God, I'm so dumb. I done spent $300 something on something I can't even. You shouldn't live by yourself, friend. I know I need a man. I've been trying to get one. I guess my head ain't good enough. They come, they get get their head, get their... Get that head, get that red, and leave. Peace out. Girl. I'm a statistic. Okay, let me see. Oh, God. What are you... I need somebody to come cook this. Look at him. Tongue just... Oh, and he got teeth. Oh, God. This motherfucker ain't going in the oven. Jesus Christ. Do I gotta let him thaw out? Y'all, somebody help me. Does he need to thaw out? What possessed you to order alligator? For my mukbang for YouTube, you know how many views I'm finna get eating this thing, girl? That thumbnail's about to go stupid. My mukbangs get 500,000 views already and 1 million. Bitch, I'm finna eat an alligator on my mukbang? Oh, bitch, this finna be stupid, girl. This coin finna be dumb. Girl. Wow. I gotta give me a Brazilian butt lift. Girl, she is saggy, girl. She lost weight while she was sick. Oh, look at that. Stop. Stop playing with me. Wait. Stop. It's a little crocodile. It's a little crocodile Dundee, you know what I'm saying? A little Tarzan, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Get it together. What am I gonna do? How am I gonna cook it? Okay. Oh, you didn't even spray it, girl. This came from Louisiana. Okay, y'all. Well, I'm finna see what I can do. It'll be up in a minute. Cook it for 5 hours. And then, cause don't the turkey take 3? Oh, y'all see my little area? I got my new little, I can drink now, but I don't want to drink it. I just got over the flu, so I got my little stuff. Got my stuff. Got my good stuff. But, okay. Let it thaw out, y'all said. Let it thaw. And then we gonna cook it for 5 hours like a turkey. And then we gonna be good. Okay, y'all. I think I got this. I'm a man up. I hope he ain't got no eyes. Does he got eyes? Oh, it ain't too bad. Okay. Hey, Tuda. Hey, Tuda. Hey. You cold? You cold, Tuda? You cold, Tuda? Oh. Maybe that make it thaw out a little faster. Okay. Okay, y'all. Let me get out this thing. What I'm supposed to season it with? Like, okay, y'all help me. Am I supposed to put like chicken seasoning, hamburger seasoning, meat? What kind of steak seasoning? What kind of seasoning do I put on this thing? What kind of seasoning? I can ask Michi. Michi! He know how to grill. Michi could cook it. Okay, y'all. Well, let me figure out how I'm gonna get this cooked, and then I'm gonna do my mukbang. All right, y'all. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. I'm gonna eat Cajun. Ooh, Cajun CBD seasoning. Girl, I ain't trying to go to sleep. I'm trying to eat this thing. Google it. Okay, bitch. I should slap you. Gator seasoning. I don't got none. I did saw they had gator sauce. Cajun. Okay, y'all. Seasoned black pepper, hell, everything. Okay. Season it however you want. I like you, friend.